Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Telegram like a pro. First, secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication in your settings. Next, keep your conversations tidy by creating chat folders. This helps categorize personal, work, and group chats. For sensitive discussions, always opt for secret chats, which offer superior end-to-end encryption and self-destructing messages. These foundational steps will significantly improve your Telegram experience from the start. Let's dive into some advanced messaging tricks. Did you know you can schedule messages to be sent at a specific time? This is perfect for reminders or sending messages across time zones. You can also edit any message after sending it, which is a lifesaver for correcting typos or adding forgotten information. For less urgent notifications, send a silent message. Your recipient will get the message without an intrusive sound alert. These features truly elevate your communication.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these Telegram tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation. For all your reading needs, whether it's catching up on articles or diving into a new novel, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find the link to the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Telegram excels with its community features, including channels, groups, and bots. Channels are fantastic for broadcasting information to a large audience, like a news feed or public announcement board. For interactive discussions, manage large groups effectively using robust admin tools and customizable permissions. Don't forget to explore Telegram's vast ecosystem of bots. They can automate tasks, provide information, and even play games, making your Telegram experience incredibly versatile and efficient. Your privacy and personal touch matter on Telegram. Take control by adjusting your privacy settings to manage who sees your phone number, last seen status, and profile photo. Make your chats uniquely yours by customizing backgrounds and themes to reflect your style. If you encounter unwanted interactions, easily block contacts or report spam to keep your experience positive and secure. These options ensure your Telegram is both safe and aesthetically pleasing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.